Marion by the Orchid Collection, a part of Rene of Paris, in the color Peanut Butter Swirl. So this is the first time that I've ever tried a piece from the Orchid Collection. This is made by Rene of Paris, and Marion is a very pretty classic style. It's got a little fringe. You can make it kind of wispy how I have it, or there are more fibers cut this length that you could make a thicker bang. It's got some nice layering around the face and then some really great layering around the bottom that just gives it that flippy style. Really good movement. And I just think it lends itself to be a very pretty feminine style. It's also not fussy because it has the fringe and the layering around the face. It's not fussy. It's not gonna bother you. You're not constantly messing with it. It's just a really great wear all day, every day kind of style. Let's talk about this color. When I looked over the colors for the Orchid Collection, there wasn't really a red that stuck out to me that I would want to try. But I liked this Peanut Butter Swirl. First of all, the name. Love peanut butter. But this is just a really pretty caramely color. It's got blonde and brunette. It's golden. It's warm. It's really pretty. And it's blended really well. Like, it looks really natural. It does have a slight root, and it looks darker with this light in the camera. It's really just a very nice medium brown, and then it blends really nicely into the top of that wig. So I don't feel like I get a black stripe down the middle, like a really dark root. Just kind of blends itself. Really pretty. The measurements for Marion. The Name Brand Wig website says that the fringe is 4.5, the crown is 11 inches, and that the nape is 10.5. Says that it weighs 4.7 ounces, and I kind of feel like that sounds like a heavy weight for wigs. The average wig size is about 4 ounces. This does not feel heavy. Don't let the weight 4.7 scare you off. This is a very comfortable cap. It really does not feel like it's 4.7 ounces. Let's talk about the Permatease and hair fibers. There is Permatease, and it's not like nesty and you're not gonna see it, but it is just kind of all over, just a light smattering of Permatease. It's well done. I don't have a wig grip on. This cap fits really well. We're going to talk about that in a minute. So it's moving around a little bit as I'm moving with it. If I put a wig grip on, it wouldn't be going anywhere. But yeah, just kind of a light coating of Permatease all over, so you can get a little bit of lift. Not much, if you want to. The hair fibers are really nice. So if you've had Rene of Paris wigs before, they have really good hair fibers. They have hair fibers that like go the distance. They're kind of like, this one had some shine. It might be looking shiny with these studio light. It's, to me in person, it's not shiny anymore. When I first got it, it had a little shine to it. They're medium and denier. Just the right amount of weight and the right amount of density of hair fibers on this wig to have it lay the way we want it to lay and to keep the style. I feel like these are those, like Rene of Paris makes a good hair fiber. They're usually thicker than some other really good hair fibers in my opinion are Belle Tress, Ellen Villa. Like when you get those, you're like, ooh, this is why everybody likes these wigs. Like these hair fibers are dreamy. Rene of Paris has a really good hair fiber for longevity. Their wigs tend to last a really long time, and I feel like these are like that. Like they feel like a good quality hair fiber. Let's talk about this cap. It's got a center part, pretty good parting space there too. Just that little bit of lace front right there. Covered ear tabs, lots of hair sewn into these ear tabs. Metal stay, extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and then otherwise it's the machine sewn open wefts. Look at that stretch. Lots of stretch. Really, really nice cap. Okay, so I don't have a wig grip on. Let me get my hair out of the way here. Grab it, let that lace hit you mid-forehead. Flip it back, pull it back to your hairline. Get those ear tabs, fix those metal stays. And then when you have fringe, takes a little bit extra. I got a mirror right here I'm gonna look at. So see, this has, let's just pull everything forward that can go forward, and then I'll get the long hairs out of the way. You can have a little bit of a thicker bang if you want. Kind of liked it with just the wispy bang, because they're just long enough. Like, they do have a little bit of curl, and you could easily like steam a little bit of more curl so that they, you know, like a little bit more bulbous, so they don't go right into your eye if your forehead length is like mine. But I think this is super cute. It's just a little bit of a wispy bang. Get that nice layering. Isn't that pretty? I mean, it's just so feminine and pretty. Okay, so I've talked about the cap and the color, the measurements, the Permatease and the hair fibers. My overall thoughts about Marion, I think it's fabulous. I love the hair fibers. I love the style. It's so cute. The little bang on it, the nice layering. It's a perfect length. It's got those really great Rene of Paris hair fibers. Again, this is Marion by the Orchid Collection. And this color is Peanut Butter Swirl. This color is gorgeous. Really, really like this color. Okay, you know what to do. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and do a little chit chat down in the comments. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this. And if you have it, tell us more about it. Okay. Marion by the Orchid Collection in the color Peanut Butter Swirl. Quick look at the cap. Lots of stretch with this one. Really pretty color. We're going to apply it for the first time. Let that lace front hit you about mid-forehead. Pull it back. Get those ear tabs adjusted. Really cute bang. It's got a little bit of rooting, some layering around the bottom. Gives it a great shape. Lots of good movement. Really cute style.